Hello everyone, my name is Samuel Awoyemi. Welcome to H-QTV. So here is the good news all of you have been waiting for about how to claim your PIXFI token and how to withdraw it. So this is the first important thing for you to do. You have to make sure that you check through their page, maybe on X or on their Telegram channel. And the first one is Pixelverse Airdrop. You can see rewarding through community members with PIXFI tokens. The upcoming TG and airdrop are set to be one of the largest ever. That is why Pixelverse is redefining airdrop distribution to ensure fairness for the Pixelverse community. You can see the key points. So this key points is going to be important for you to claim your token, and the token that you are going to get will depend on this airdrop that I'm going to read now. All users to receive their NFT reward, Pixeltap and dashboard users as of July 18 will receive NFT based on engagement level. You can see today is July 18, so you are going to receive NFT claim depend on your level. So let's proceed. Claimable on July 25, so the NFT will be claimable on July 25 this month. Can see Pixeltap common to legendary NFT based on player levels. Dashboard can see reward based on bot count levels and completed quest. So this is the dashboard now. That means that you must complete the levels and the number of completed quests that you partake in and reward based on bot count. So the next one is airdrop details. 10% of, so this is the airdrop details now. Airdrop details, 10% of PIXFI allocated today at TGE, yesterday is TGE, to holders of rare, epic and legendary NFTs. 20% of PIXFI additional reward for Pixelverse and Pixelchain user distributed over time. So claiming tokens, gas-free claiming via the dashboard and Pixeltap claiming app with auto decking for additional reward. I think what this place is talking about that you are not going to need gas fees for you to claim it. That is what they are trying to say. No gas fees for you to claim it. And the next one is decking mechanism. So this decking mechanism, immediate withdrawal of PIXFI grants only 10% of total airdrop with 90% recycled to the community intensive pool to reward Pixelverse community. So the next one is community airdrop mechanism, reward the genuine Pixelverse community while effectively preventing bot activity. Thank you for your support, and I'm glad to have you with us at this new milestone for the Pixelverse community, crypto adoption, and the turn ecosystem. So you can see Pixelverse trading is live. So this is just all what you need to know. This is all what you know. If you want to read more about the token, the Pixelverse, maybe on the airdrop and for a Pixelverse dashboard, a lot of things that you are going to need to know is already here. So let's go to how you can claim it. So let's go now how you can claim it. I'm going to click on launch bot. So let's wait for it to load. So this is our Pixeltap bot mini app. So the level, the level here will depend on the amount of token that they are going to give you. Let's click on claim. So this is our claim. Let's click on it. So you are going to click next step now. So let's wait a little bit. I think it's not loading. I'm going to refresh it. Let me refresh it now. Load. Let me click on load page so that I can show you your token allocation that's been allocated to you. So let's wait a little bit. Okay, let me click again. Maybe it will have load. As you can see, so this is my token allocation, my PIXFI token base that I'm in level 10. No, you are not in level 10. You are not going to get this. If you are in level, let me say level 8, level 8 to 9, 8 to 9, you are going to get 606 something, 600 something PIXFI token. But in level 10, you are going to get 5,000 plus token. What of level 5 and level 7? Is it 7 or 6? They are, I think, 230 200 and something pixel file token that's going to be allocated to you. Just to know it. So if you see somebody with 5,000 pixel and you are getting 600, that means that you are not in the same level. You're not in the same level. That is why you get low PIXFI token. Okay. So this is the NFT that we are going to claim. I think on the 28th, the NFT avatar, and it's going to be based on level 2. So let's go to Pixelverse dashboard now. So this Pixelverse dashboard. Okay, let me wait for it to load. So that's all what you should know about the Pixeltap mini app on Telegram. So this is the dashboard. You have to make sure that I'm just going to show you some things. So let me wait for it to load. Okay, now the first thing that you are going to make sure that you click as the menu ceremony button that I clicked now. Just click on profile. You have some settings for you. As you can see this H-QTV. That is my nickname. My nickname with my YouTube brand. Okay, guys. So this edit profile. So once you click on edit profile, it's going to bring that you should link to Telegram, link to X, and you should write like you should put something in your bio like that. So that is all what provide. Make sure that you link it to your Telegram and your X, and that's what you should do also. So guys, and the link, you can even link it to your Discord. If you have Discord app, make sure that you download it. You are going to need it. Make sure that you download Discord app and link it to your Discord. So let me click the back button. So now so this is my, I think my pixel file token. I think this is the real token in Pixelverse dashboard. So I'm a level 2. Can see I'm a level 2. So just make sure that you come to tags here and click on individual. You are going to see a lot of tags. So once you finish the tags, you are going to see that I've completed the last one, and this is the one that they have given me 1.5k PIXFI token. You can see 1.5k PIXFI token, and this means that I've completed it. So this full I think blue color, you can see that has been ticked. So once it has been ticked, that means that you have completed it and they have given you the token. So make sure that you can see 50%, 50%. That means that this one has not been fully completed or verified. So once it's fully verified, they are going to give me my token, and you are going to see your token here. And there's a invite link. You want to invite people to Pixelverse dashboard. Once you can see, click on your reverse, so you can copy your link to give people to your Pixelverse dashboard. Maybe you don't want to sign up on Pixelverse dashboard, and if you click my username at the top, you can see here's my username with your PixelFi token. You are going to see that I've connected my wallet. So I think there's a turn connect wallet. You can see turn connect wallet. You can see. So if I want to connect it now, I'm going to connect it to my Turnkeeper wallet. You can see. So you can even connect to Turn wallet. Just open this. You can see a lot of wallets here. Just open your Turnkeeper or any of your Turn wallet address here, and make sure that you connect with the appropriate Turn app, so that, and make sure that you have some token there, some maybe for withdrawal. There's going to cover gas fee. So that's all what you should know. You can see my Pixelverse dashboard link in this video description, the link to Pixelverse dashboard. You can even deck. If you want to deck, you can deck. So this is it now, as you can see. So this is the total amount that I can deck. You can see 500k I can deck. I don't think so. This is the total amount that I think you can deck. This is the total amount, but this 500k is not given to me, just the total amount. It's not that I'm the one that own. It's not fully show. You can see that it's not fully show. So just like that. So this is the reward. You haven't participated in a raffle yet. You can see. So let me just, okay, I think I saw something now. This decking, can see play and win. Can see a lot of legendary, epic, play more and get more chances to win. If you play this, you are going to get a lot of chances to win. So this all just you have to know with. So I think I've talked about pets. Okay, pets too can change your, can see my name, biggest Sam. So this deck can deck. So this is my streak now. Okay, let me collect my streak feed. So make sure that you click on this feed. They are going to, I think it's network. I'm going to come back to it. I've even forgetting that I have to feed it for me to earn. So this feed now, you are going to earn it. Maybe I don't have enough balance or something like that. So you can change bot. You want to change bot. I think this Aloha, as you can see, this Aloha bot can change it. And your level, so your level is going to depend on your what is it called? It's going to depend on your Pixelverse coin. It's going to depend on the amount of coin and the level that you are. So that is all what you should know. So this early adopter, if you want to claim, let me see. So there's nothing here. There's nothing here. Claim your reward. There's nothing here. So I think you are going to claim in 2 hours. You can see this one is 137 on the 25th of this month. So this is all what you should know. And thanks for watching my videos. I'm going to see my next video, and don't forget to like, subscribe, share this video, and like this video. I'm going to see you in my next video. Peace.